like for 9 years old.
Anyways, I'm now 9 years old, not like before. Before, I was like 6 years old. Anyways, I'm gonna sneak peek a short, just a short. Anyways, I'm doing something. I'm going to school. About myself. 9 years old, super tall, grade 3, lives in Philippines. That's it. Singer, a great cooker, but doesn't know how to light the candles. View of something. Okay. You can see it says diary, but it's filled with drawings of Among Us because I like Among Us. And don't worry about this. I'm Filipino, though. These are my friendies. And of course, I have my 676, 869, and 666 and 777. And one more. I am doing processed food, meat or protein, and vegetables. You can see it's not focusing. There's my vegetables. And did I add carrots and potatoes? Yeah, I did. Now these are the fruits. Now these are the processed foods. You can see I have longanisa. Longanisa means sausage. Canned foods and tocino. Now here are meat, pork, beef, chicken, duck, and lamb, and fish. Seafood. Hot dog. Now these are the years, elements. 2016, which I am born to, is Fire Monkey. Fire Rooster is 2017. I still don't know what 2015 is. Anyways, these are my wake up times and sleep times.